In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Clickup account or workspace in just a few simple steps. Whether you're moving on to a different platform or simply need to start fresh, I'll guide you through the process clearly and effectively. It's a straightforward procedure, so stay with me and we'll get through it together. Let's begin by heading over to the Clickup website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. This will take you to the Clickup homepage, which is your starting point for accessing your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner for the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the next page. If you usually sign in with Google, all you need to do is hit the Sign In with Google button and choose your account from the options that appear. This step is essential as you'll need to be logged in to access the settings required to delete your account or workspace. After signing in, you'll arrive at your ClickUp homepage. Here, look for your profile icon, generally found in the top right hand corner. It's quite important to make sure you're looking for this, as all subsequent steps will be based off this menu. Click on your profile to drop down the menu. From the drop down, you should see a Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This page contains several options related to your account and workspace preferences. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. However, our goal today is to delete the workspace. Once you're inside the settings page, navigate to the workspace you wish to delete. You'll find an option labeled Delete Workspace. Click on this if you're sure you want to proceed. Take note that deleting a workspace is a significant action. You will lose all data and projects associated with it, so make sure to back up anything essential before proceeding. After clicking Delete Workspace, ClickUp might prompt you with a confirmation message. Essentially, this is to ensure that you're deliberately deleting the workspace and understand the implications. Follow any final prompts on screen. Once complete, your ClickUp workspace will be deleted. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your ClickUp account or workspace. Remember, if you ever plan to return or start over on ClickUp, you can always create a new account and begin afresh. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next video.